Feels like maybe it's gonna be the big rise. And look at this vortex once again, kind of ugly one a little bit. Where is that? What's that? We get in and proceed into all of this setups. Go in straight pairs, as they call it. 1 minute 690, and then stocks with the biggest payout. It's 291 right there. Okay, then we go into 10 seconds candles. You know it. And then proceed into the indicators and momentum, thicker, and the smaller period, and yellow. Then vortex, thicker, and this 11 is the period, and Bollinger band. So can say that maybe it's going to be the easiest one, because vortex and the momentum is the key indicator. That's a bit risky. Plus, if I'm being honest, lately I'm kinda disappointed with all these Bollinger bands movements and usage. So I'm not sure that it's going to be perfect, but we need to try it anyway. And look at this. Feels like maybe it's going to be the big rise, and because we are kinda had the falling, but it seems to me we're going to be just continuing going the same way. Look at this vortex, and here is actually the answer why we think like that. Let's see. And now you can see the vortex not touching, not getting closer, but crossing. So that's going to be the change. Right there, we can expect some change, but we already with the nice year's profit. Anyway, there was two options. Even this small falling after kind of rising, it's just repeating the pattern that we had, and that was already seen and visible, and it was already kind of. But this one, look at this vortex once again, kind of ugly one a little bit. I think we're going to get upward right there. I would expect it's going to be some changing. I am not sure about the momentum, because I've been thinking about that vortex, that it's going to be the crossing. So that's why we expected some changing. Second crossing, gonna kill that. No. What about the momentum? We kinda somewhere in the low position, but with the momentum, yeah, I can see that a little bit, but it's adjusting too much. It is so unstable. It is hysterical, and that's not my favorite at that point. So 10 seconds, already had a headache. I don't love these fast changes. I need something that is going to be working for me, that it's going to be loyal, that it's going to be stable. That's my kind of thing. Where is that? What's that? Yes, and yes. Again, we have the vortex getting crossed, so I think it's gonna be the upward trend. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, but I think we're gonna get upward. Momentum located at the lowest part, so that means actually that we may rise and we may not get an extremely downward. And this is once again maybe maybe the thing we need to follow, and seems like it's just the hill. We're rising, now we're having the peak situation, and then we're gonna be getting downward. But maybe not that fast. I wanted just to ski, but all situations are kind of tricky. All situations, so I don't like this one. But yeah, we're getting upward, but I'm not satisfied, because I wanted some strategy wanted this strategy. I wanted some indicators to be clear about that, not to have it as a guessing and the like. Okay. Once again, it's kind of the same situation. Momentum located at the lowest part. Vertex line just got crossed. So I think we're gonna be getting it upward. Let's see. Once again, that was correct. Look at this. Yeah, we had the crossing of the vortex, but this situation actually, in most of the cases, giving us the second one. And this is the biggest risk of the vortex. Okay, I can see the signal, I can see that was the crossing, I can see where it's going with the lines, but then it's just the second one, and it's done. So be attentive, you may catch some situation like that. Okay, this one I think is an easy one. This one is just for bottom situation and then getting upward. Because the vortex line is kind of distant, on the biggest distance. That means that we can have, so it's going to be keeping up with the tendency, but then drastically and dramatically it's going to be changing. That's going to be the crossing, and we're going to be done. And let's see it. And that's beautiful. Finally, we have something that is beautiful, but I didn't like this strategy. All this combo, I actually ignored all these Bollinger bands. I think I didn't even mention that even once. No, not my type. As I wanted, we are profitable. The strategy was semi-working one, but by the end of the day, you want something more beautiful. You want something more, I don't know, more nice or something like that. So I recommend to do something with that strategy. I recommend to replace momentum, or maybe, I don't know, something. Do something. Use it as you want it. I'm done. That's my day off.